So these are strawberry plants in the greenhouse, and I didn't realize that they could do this, but apparently when they're not getting enough water, they go looking for it. I was really confused. Thankfully, the horrible farmer cleared that up for me, and we are getting that fixed. So they will be getting enough water and they shouldn't have to go looking for it on their own. If you notice, there is a bucket of water down at the bottom of the screen in some of the shots. We keep that in the greenhouse for when we need it, and we keep a dunk in it to keep mosquitoes out of it. If you don't know what a dunk is, you're gonna have to go look it up. It's D-U-N-K, and it's mosquito control.